back to the Urban Cook. I've got something here that I never thought, you know, my channel would get to this stage, but I've had a couple of companies reach out to me before, but you know, like trainers and I can't remember what the other one was, but yeah, I said no thank you, it's not interested. But this company reached out to me. It's called Acekool, and all the links will be in the description. So what I do, I'll just show you that. Obviously, the Urban Cook. So what we do, obviously I know. And this is what we have. Say Acekool with a K, 5-in-1 hand blender. I have had one of these before. The only gripe I had with it is the cable was too short. So we'll unbox this one and see what it's all about. So we have the main motor. What I do like, straight away, it's got an adjustable speed and turbo, and like normal and turbo speed, but you can turn them down. I think this one should have a longer lead. No, about the same. So anyway, doesn't matter. The only reason why I sort of like moan about it, because I've got no sockets around where I actually do cooking. So here we've got our blender, really nice, stainless steel, superb. The actual gear part to fit on here. This should be quarter turn. No, it's not, it's a direct fit. That's nice, I like that. My other one, you had to put it in and turn it. But this one, it's only whichever way you put it on, it just fits in, so that's all great. Really like that. Nice, feels like ABS plastic actually, with measurements on the side. Really nice. Little quarter turn, nice, really sharp, stainless steel blades, and that's all in the box, apart from your user manual and an that's quite nice. I didn't get that on my one. Acekool hand blender cookbook. So I'll have a quick look at that, and obviously our user manual. But when you actually look at it, it's quite self-explanatory anyway, so that's good. So what we'll do, we'll do a few bits, test out all the bits and pieces, and what I'll do, I'll chop up some veggies, some onions and garlic. Our onions in, our sweet peppers, just unclip this top part, push that in, as you can see here we've got the lights up light blue. And the speed, you can hear the motor. This is turbo. doesn't work on that. It's only on the slow speed, so you can reduce it down. The turbo is just 1 speed. So we click that in, and we just use the normal speed. Take that out of there. Very nice. So you only have to blitz it a few times. These blades are so sharp, so that's pretty good. Like it. A little bit of olive oil, garlic paste, okay, so we get some eggs. I'm going to separate them. Put our adapter on, get a whisk, turn it down. Add our whiting, olive oil, olive butter, add our eggs, some of our mixture, top with spring onions, cheese, okay, so this is superb. The old whisk done its job, fluffed up this really lovely, so I'm really pleased with that. That's nice. So I'm going to go and give this bit to Mrs. Urban, and then we'll make something else. Probably make a smoothie. So see you soon.
The next morning.
Okay, so now it's the next morning. I'm going to have this for my nice little shake for my breakfast. So we've got here is some blueberries, some orange, apple with the skin on, banana, like that, some ice, and we get a blender, snap the tool on, splits away. Add a bit more milk. Take this off. Lovely, really refreshing. So, what do I think? This is a lot better than the one I had. Mainly because it's got the speed control, which you can adjust, which is really good. I like it because it snaps on. You don't have to do quarter turn whichever way. The chopper, slicer, really good. So yeah, you know, I do like this. So the link will be in the description, where to get this, to the Acekool website and the Amazon link, and there will be a promotional code in there as well. Now if you fancy having it, then go ahead. So yeah, I like it. It's got the Urban seal of approval. So, see you on the next one, and take it easy. See you guys, bye. I'll take this.